How to fix the Active Directory domain services is currently unavailable error. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix Active Services domain server is currently unavailable. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're having that issue on your laptop or PC, after opening up a laptop or PC, you just need to follow the steps in order to fix it. So you just need to open up your Windows and search CMD command prompt on your search bar. After that, open it up. You just need to run it as administrator, run your command prompt as an administrator. Just click on it, right click on it, and run it as administrator. After that is done, you just need to type in the prompt that I'm showing on my screen right now and hit enter on your screen. After that, here you can see an error occurred. So you can see this printer space diagnostic. You just need to clear up that space and type in the prompt again. Just type in the prompt again, est.exe/id space printer, and clear up the space. After hitting the enter, this appears. Click on next, simply click on next, and it will start detecting your problems. And after that is done, just close it up. And head over to the Windows again, to the search bar, and type in device manager. After that, simply open it up on your device. And after opening it up, wait for it to load. And after that is done, you can see this on screen, the device manager, where you can head over to this printer section. Right now, I don't have any printer connected, but if any printer is connected, just right click on it and update your driver of that particular printer. After that is done, just select search automatically for drivers and it will start updating your driver. And that should do. The next step is just next thing is close off your device manager. After closing your device manager, head over to the search bar again, Windows, and type in troubleshoot settings. Just type in that, open it up onto your device. And after opening up the troubleshoot settings, you just need to head over to the next option called additional troubleshooters. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see a printer here. You just need to troubleshoot the printer, run the troubleshooter, and that should basically do it. After that is done, just restart your device for once, and that's it. So therefore, just follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.